So I'm not sure what happened, but my camera kind of just switched itself off. But I'm just going to continue from. I'm going to link these videos up and just continue from where I stopped. Sorry, previously. So following on from my scarf, this is a pair of shoes. I was walking by Doc Martens down in Westfield, which is in London, in Shepherd's Bush, if you live in the United Kingdom, and I saw these items, and I could not believe, how much they cost. So basically, I'll just show you what I got. So these are what they look like. I'll just show you one pair of shoes just from all angles, because it just makes it easier to show it in the frame of the camera, since I'm filming with my Note 4. So these are the shoes sideways. Sorry. These are them from behind. So you've got this little thing which is synonymous with Doc Martens actual shoes. That's it from that angle, from at the bottom, so it's got rubber soles, and that's it from the top. Okay, and then these cost they were originally £70 according to the label, and they went down to £49.99, and I got them for £39.99. So the next item is a Chanel item, and I actually got it during the Christmas period for my birthday, but I thought I would include it in this video. So as you can see, it's got that really nice ribbon on it, and this bag is kind of slightly different. The handles on the strap are quite thick, and I was given this ribbon. So it came in this lovely Christmas packaging, so I'm just going to remove that and show you what I got. So it is the Chanel moisturizer. So for those of you that don't know, I love Mademoiselle, Coco Mademoiselle. That's my favorite. So I tend to buy the lotion, the perfume, so that it lasts longer, basically. And I also received, let's see what this is. This is a lip balm. That's what it looks like inside. So Chanel is my absolute favorite, in case you didn't know. So that's what I got from Chanel. So the other item I received from Chanel came inside this bag, and with a camellia. And this was actually bought by myself at Heathrow Airport when I was going to Dubai. And I've always wanted to get this item because it's a limited edition. You don't always get it. And when I got it back, I got them to, well, they gift wrapped it at the airport, basically. So, yeah. So, again, this is my Eau de Parfum Mademoiselle, and this is a special edition, and it's the 200ml. Lovely packaging as usual. And out of all the Chanel products, as in perfumes, this is actually my favorite, followed by number 19 Poudre. So that's what it looks like, and I'm so happy I got it, because this is such a rare item to get. They sometimes feature it on the website, or you can get it in the boutiques. But when I was going to Dubai, I just managed to get this one, and I actually got 20% off, so it was much cheaper than I normally would have paid. So the next item I got was obviously from my favorite shop again, Hermes. And I'm just going to take it out of the bag. This would have been my last one, the finale. However, in January, I got something which I I didn't ever think I was going to get. But let me unbox this and then I'll show you at the end of the video what I got in January. So this is the item that was in the box. I'm just going to unbox it, open it. And this was their Christmas packaging. But I guess they did all their presents in this packaging. So unlike the brown ribbon, I believe it has the actual year. This one is just their special Christmas packaging for 2017. Wow, some more wrapped items. Okay, I'm just going to unwrap them and then I will, oh, it's even got a cushion at the bottom, and then I will show you what I got. Wow, I'm excited. So I got 3 items in total. I'm going to start off with the smallest item, which is this one. So it looks like this is some kind of perfume, 7.5 mils. So I'm going to open it up. So that's the name of the perfume, and this is what it looks like. It looks like some kind of, I don't know, some kind of refill, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to open the next one. So in that small the second to the last one is this. It looks like it's some kind of cream, and I don't know if you remember my last video where I showed you what I got for Christmas. I actually got a small tester of this perfume, so this cream actually is going to go really, really nicely. I'm just going to open it up. So that's what it looks like inside, and it's called Eau de Rebel SL2. Sorry, my pronunciation is rubbish. That's what it was in that second package. So I'll be interested to see what's actually inside this. I'm curious. So before I open this box, I got 4 testers. One is called Paprika Basil. That one. This one is called Santal Messiah. That's unusual because normally when they give testers, they normally just put 1 in there. So that's really nice to receive that. This one is Mulget Porch. I'll put the name down below because I can't actually pronounce it. And then the last one is, and these are eau de toilettes. This one is Amber Nagil. Okay, so I got a box. I'm just going to open this box, see what's inside. See where it opens from. Oh, from here. Let's move these back a little bit. Oh my goodness. Wow. So I've opened it wrong. So, you know, I've been wanting to buy this for ages. The fact that it's a birthday present. So that makes sense now why that is there. So that's, oh my goodness. I can't show you how to put it in now. I probably will show you another stage. But this basically is a padlock. And it's actually a dispenser for this. So you put it in from the bottom. I've actually seen a cheap. And then you basically use this to spray your, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh God, I'm so happy to think I was going to buy this for myself and somebody else bought it for me. I'm so happy. Oh, thank you. You know yourself. So those are my Hermes items. So my last item. So guys, the last item is something I actually got today. As of the day. So basically, I've been wanting to get a camera for ages. What I'm using at the moment is my Note 4 Samsung, and I've been wanting to get a camera to upgrade and to, you know, improve the qualities of my video. I mean, I don't think my videos are bad, but I just wanted to start using a proper camera. And before I trained, I'm a medical professional, I'm registered. And before I trained as a medical professional, I actually wanted to do photography. And I actually wanted to study photography, but I didn't actually go down that route. So the camera I got, I don't know what I can show you, I'm really sorry about this, is the double zoom kit EOS 20D. I think they call it the SL2 in the States, Rebel SL2. And the amazing thing about this, it came with two lenses. So I'm just going to quickly unbox it, and then I'm going to shortly after I finish this video, I'm going to do another video just featuring this item. So when you open the box, it just says Canon Europe, because obviously I live in United Kingdom, and it just says thank you for choosing Canon. Get started straight away, and it gives you some instructions, and there's different languages on the box. I'm just going to open the box and show you. So this is the inside cover. I'm just going to open that flap and show you what you see when you open the box. Sorry guys, so my camera stopped again, but I'm not going to continue with the unboxing. I'm just going to show you, as I said, what you see when you open the box. I'm going to do a separate video for this, because for some reason my camera or my phone keeps on turning itself off. I don't know whether I haven't got any more storage, but as I said, I'll do a separate video to show you what came inside this box. So if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, put them in the comments box below. And for those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back, and thank you so much for bearing with me. My name is Mimi. Thank you so much for watching my birthday haul. As I said, you're going to get a bonus video after this one, and that will be uploaded on Sunday. I'll try and upload it on Sunday, which is probably tomorrow. So you can get a bonus video to see what came inside this box of tricks. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video tomorrow.